Welcome to Endone, guys. This channel brings you the latest news, tips, and tricks to help you make the most of your Android devices. Today's video covers what to do when your Android phone screen refuses to dim. Here is how one Android user described this issue in a forum post. I was in a pitch black environment when I received a text message. I had to turn on my phone to check it, but the screen brightness was far too high for me. It felt blindingly bright. However, my Android phone screen wouldn't dim down. I really want to know how to fix an Android phone that won't go dark. Can anyone tell me how? We understand that if you've landed here, you might be facing the exact same problem. If you find that your Android phone screen isn't dimming, don't panic. To help you out, we'll explain the underlying causes and show you exactly how to fix the issue to get your device working properly again. Cause 1. Adaptive brightness is set too high. Solution. Turn off adaptive brightness. Most people keep adaptive brightness enabled on their Android phones. When active, it automatically adjusts the screen brightness to an appropriate level based on your current surroundings. However, if adaptive brightness malfunctions or is slow to react, the screen may remain excessively bright the moment you turn on your phone. In this scenario, you can disable adaptive brightness to manually adjust the brightness yourself, thereby fixing an Android screen that won't dim down. Here's how to do it. Swipe down from the top of your phone screen, then swipe down again to fully expand the quick settings panel. Within the panel, locate the brightness slider. Tap the three-dot icon next to the brightness slider. From there, simply toggle off adaptive brightness and manually adjust the slider to a comfortable brightness level. Cause 2. Temporary software glitch. Solution. Restart your device. If the brightness sensor encounters a temporary software glitch, it can prevent your Android phone from dimming. To resolve this issue, try restarting your device. Restarting your device clears out temporary errors within the Android system and helps restore it to optimal operating condition. To restart your Android phone, press and hold the power button until the power menu appears on the screen. Then, tap the restart icon and wait for the device to reboot. Once the restart is complete, check your phone again to see if the screen brightness has returned to normal. Cause 3. Third-party app conflicts. The solution is to enter safe mode. If you have downloaded any third-party screen or brightness management apps, these applications may conflict with system settings, causing your Android phone screen to fail to dim properly. To determine whether a third-party app is the culprit, you can boot your phone into safe mode. Safe mode runs only the system's built-in applications and disables all third-party apps. If the screen brightness functions normally while in safe mode, then the issue is indeed being caused by a specific application. Here are the steps to enter safe mode. Turn off your Android phone. Press and hold the power button and the volume up button simultaneously until the recovery mode menu appears. Within the menu options, use the volume keys to navigate and the power button to select safe mode. Your Android phone will then boot up into safe mode. If a safe mode notification appears at the bottom of the screen, and your Android phone displays correctly while in this mode, it confirms that the issue, where the screen fails to dim, is being caused by a specific application. To fix the problem of your Android phone not dimming sufficiently, locate the problematic application and uninstall it. Once finished, press and hold the power button and tap Restart to reboot your phone back into normal mode. After the restart is complete, your Android phone should return to normal operation. Cause 4. System incompatibility. The solution is to update the operating system. If your Android phone is running an outdated version of the operating system, it may contain bugs or issues that lead to software incompatibility. Since Android system updates are released periodically, a newer version may have already resolved these incompatibility issues. Therefore, to fix the problem of your Android phone screen failing to dim, you can try updating your operating system. Here's what you need to do. Go to Settings, scroll down to find and tap on System or Software Update. If an update is available, the system will prompt you to download the software package. Once the update has downloaded, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Your Android phone will shut down and then restart. Finally, check once more to see if the issue, where your Android phone fails to dim, still persists. Cause 5. Other software glitches. The solution is to perform a factory reset. This is the final troubleshooting step for resolving software-related issues. Performing a factory reset on your phone to fix the problem of your Android phone screen failing to dim. Performing a factory reset can resolve the vast majority of software-related issues, even if your Android device is infected with a virus or has been compromised by an attack. A factory reset can help you restore it to a clean state. However, you should be aware beforehand that a factory reset will erase all data stored on your phone. Therefore, if you have any important data on your device, please create a backup before resetting it. Otherwise, everything will be permanently lost. Next, please follow the steps below to reset your Android device. Open your phone's Settings app, scroll down to find and select System and Updates, select Reset on the new screen, and finally, select Reset Phone. Once the reset is complete, your Android device may prompt you to reactivate the phone. Please follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. Finally, the issue of your Android phone screen never dimming should be resolved, allowing you to use your device normally again. Cause 6. Hardware issues. The solution is to inspect the hardware. If the problem persists even after performing a factory reset, the issue that your Android phone won't auto-dim may be caused by a hardware malfunction. Since you are unable to diagnose the specific hardware fault yourself, you will need to take your phone to a repair center and have a professional technician perform a thorough hardware inspection. That brings us to the end of this video. If you still have questions regarding your device, please type them in the comment section below. If this video helped you resolve the issue of your Android phone screen not dimming, feel free to give it a like. Also, please leave a comment below to let us know which method worked for you. Alright then, don't forget to subscribe to Endone and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest uploads. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.